Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time, thanks for coming. Today we'll be doing a finger twist using comb. You will need a lock and twist gel, a leave-in conditioner to detangle your natural hair if you're using a natural hair. So right now this customer's hair is transitioning from natural to from palm to natural, so I'll be trimming off the little ones, the little palms left out. If you're looking at it, you will see the little palm at the tip, so I'll be trimming it off. So I've done some part of the work earlier, so just stay tuned to continue watching the 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 process. So if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, you're welcome, welcome, welcome. You're very much welcome. Kindly click the subscription button, please. Be good to that subscription button and the like button as well. It really means a lot to me. Please click the subscription button and the like button. If this is your first time, don't just come and go like that. Your life will never remain the same in good way. So don't go like that. Leave your print, leave your fingerprints, on that page. So as you can see, I'm already trimming off the palm part of the hair. So we need, for your natural hair, to, if you are finding it difficult to even comb your natural hair, the best way for it to be easier and peaceful and love and enjoyable for you to comb is, one, add your leave-in conditioner, and also always trim the edges of your natural hair. Even though if it's not transition, if it has been a normal complete natural hair, it helps combing, it makes combing easy, and it also helps encourage your hair to grow. You don't need all those little split end. It doesn't make your hair look neat and clean when you're doing it. It doesn't encourage the beauty of the hair. As you can see here right now, I'm using a tail comb, and I'll apply little of the gel. You can see just little, you don't need much, because natural hair absorb treatment. I'll use it, then you twist it, you twist it. That's all you will do. You twist it with the comb. That's all you need to do. I'll show you. Keep watching, you see another process. It's a very simple way. You just twist it on each side. From here, from this end, let me leave you to enjoy the process. Keep watching, enjoy till the end. Okay, bye for now.